Here's how you can quickly check the battery level of your Magic Mouse on macOS in 2026. There are two simple methods to check the battery percentage of your Magic Mouse. First, the fastest method is using the Bluetooth menu. Go to the top right corner of your screen and click the Bluetooth icon. In the list of connected devices, look for your Magic Mouse. Its battery percentage will appear right next to its name. You can also click Bluetooth settings at the bottom of the menu. Your Magic Mouse will be listed there as well, with the battery percentage shown below its name. The second method is through System Settings. Click the Apple menu and open System Settings. Scroll down the left sidebar and select Mouse. You'll see the current battery level for your Magic Mouse in the upper middle area of the window, displayed just below its name. And that's it. Two quick and easy ways to keep track of your Magic Mouse battery. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.